Good morning, Bears. I'm Mr. Serna. Welcome to your 2025 BTV announcements. Today is Wednesday, January 8th. Happy New Year. Hope you had a great holiday break. It was cold this morning, wasn't it? And it'll be cold all week as we get into the new semester going. Let's begin with some baseball news. Tryouts are right around the corner. Anyone interested in trying out must attend a meeting at 6 p.m. in the auditorium this Thursday with a parent or guardian. You must also have an up-to-date physical to try out, so be sure to get one. Make sure it's on file. See Coach Jason Thompson in Portable 23, Coach Casey Mills in Portable 24, or Coach Zachary Latta in Portable 13 with any questions. Ladies, if you're interested in trying out for the softball team, you need to attend 2 meetings. The first one is Friday, 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., and the second one is Saturday, 9 a.m. to noon. You need to attend both meetings, both of them, and have a physical filed and cleared with the athletic trainers prior to tryouts. Sorry about that. Our basketball team went undefeated in the 7 games they played during the break. First, on December 20th, they crushed Warren 108-46. Then, December 26th to the 28th, our Bears went undefeated, averaging 27.5 points in each of their wins at the championship basketball tourney in Fort Worth and brought home the trophy, championship trophy. Kudos to Cameron Kogo for bringing home tourney MVP honors for his 73 points and 17 three-pointers. On December 31st, our Bears routed Holmes 98-40, and on January 3rd, they overwhelmed Stevens 99-45. Tonight, they face Taft at 7 p.m. in the Harlem District Gym. BF&D Bears. Kudos to our Lady Bears basketball team on their 3 wins during the break. They blew out Stevens 103-21 on December 21st, defeated Taft 82-30 on December 31st, and capped their winning streak with a 70-49 win against Warren. Way to win, ladies. Our Lady Bears face Sotomayor tomorrow at the Harlem District Gym at 6 p.m. BF&D, ladies. Last Thursday, our Bears soccer team came away with a 3-2 win over Madison, and last Friday they beat East Central 2-0. But they lost 3-0 against Churchill. Today, they play against Sotomayor at 5 p.m. at Gus Stadium. On December 31st, our Lady Bears soccer team dominated East Central in a 7-0 win. And on January 2nd, they defeated Victoria West 5-2. Way to go, ladies. Tonight, they play against Sotomayor at 7 p.m. at Gus Stadium. BF&D soccer teams. Seniors, if you have not purchased your graduation caps and gowns, the class of 2025 created a quick tutorial for ordering them from Johnson's. Scan this QR code or go to Brennan Class of 2025 on Instagram. Don't miss out. This Thursday, Bernal and Briscoe Middle School students will visit our campus, and on Friday, Luna Middle Schoolers will visit. Let's show them what Brennan's all about. Also on Friday, Brennan PTSA will have a membership pop-up booth. Stop by in front of the school to learn more about our PTSA, including membership opportunities, our community initiatives, and how you can get involved. For starters, students can earn service hours by volunteering. Earn those hours. Those interested can sign up to Sign Up Genius, which can be shared on social media platforms. Search for @BrennanPTSA or email brennanptsa@gmail.com. Earn some hours. Seniors, do you need assistance filling out the financial aid application? Join Career Advisor Kathy Gonzalez for a financial aid workshop. And next Monday, January 13th, from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Sorry about that. You know who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Yes, SpongeBob. So make plans to see SpongeBob SquarePants the musical. The show runs Thursday, January 16th, and Friday, January 17th at 7 p.m., with a matinee performance at 2 p.m. on Saturday, January 18th. Tickets are $20 for general admission, $15 for students, senior citizens, and military. Teachers and staff get free admission. Buy them ahead of time at brennanhs.booktix.com or at the door. Cash only if you buy at the door. Bears, if you drive and park a vehicle on campus, you must have a Brennan parking decal on your vehicle. Vehicles that are illegally parked are subject to being towed. Please see VPO Secretary Michelle Mitchell in the VPO for details. As the posted signs read, the entry leading to the drive beyond the campus is for staff and buses only. Remind your parents, student pickup is in front of the campus only. Finally, remember that absolutely no food deliveries will be accepted here on campus. The policy is meant for maintaining a safe and secure campus for all students. Plus, helps keep our campus cleaner. This is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of the broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Mr. Serna, signing off from BTV. This semester, it's our first show. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. Welcome back, and bundle up for the rest of the week.